Maya projects can use a lot of different types of data that's pulled from a lot of different places. Now, it can use geometry data, it can have bitmap images or textures, and all of this data needs to be organized so that Maya knows where everything is. Now, for this, Maya uses a naming scheme called projects. Let's take a look at a simple project. I'm going to jump out to my desktop here and just double click on my exercise files folder. Now, this is a Maya project. Now, this project has known folders that have known names. So, for example, your scenes file is where all of your Maya scenes are. We have an images file, which are where all of your output images go. So rendered images would show up here. Images used for textures and bitmap come into the source images folder. So there we have those. We also have folders for things such as sound, movies, and a whole lot of other types of things. Now, if you move Maya between machines, projects become even more important because it gives you a known directory structure where to store data. So if you want to move a project from machine to machine, Maya will always link up the associated files. So let's go ahead and do that from Maya. So I'm going to go back into Maya. And under File, we have a Set Project command. So I'm going to go ahead and go Set Project. And what we want to do is just jump out to our desktop and find that exercise files folder, and then just hit set. And when I do that, everything should line up. Now, if you're starting up a project for the first time, you can also use Maya to create your own projects. So all you have to do is go File, Project Window, and this allows us to set up a project. So we can give it a location here, we can give it a name, as well as names for all of the different types of folders. Now I'm using the defaults, and if we want, we can hit accept. Now I already have the project created, so I don't need to do that. But if you were to create a new project for yourself, this is where you would go. So when you work with Maya, make sure that you work in projects. It makes moving data between machines much, much easier.